So be like nature, be original. On a way in the world, there's a lot of plants here, different species, different types, different shapes. Each individual plant is not trying to compete with the other in terms of character, in terms of identity, in terms of shape or color. Each plant is existing in its own way without trying to be like the other plant. Everything is original out here. But it's actually original. So be original. It's easier when you're original. There's no special way to doing this thing but your way. Your way is the only way. Ennaku zino kintu kibadde kiringinga mutwe gwange nga kintawaanya. I needed to let it out and let you know that your way is the only way. Do not compromise on anything. You need to trust yourself and be original, just like nature. Something every man should be doing every once in a while, maybe every week, maybe every month. But something that every man should be doing more often is to spend time by himself. Spend time away from work, spend time away from your wife or your woman, spend time away from your family, spend time away from everything. I'm here surrounded by nature, and I wish I could tell you how much I've released just, for the few hours that I've stayed out here. We carry so much, to be honest, and we don't let out enough. That's the truth. Buza, Bakazi, those guys, you women who are in relationships, I think know this. Are your husbands talking to you? Are they giving you feedback? I'm sure most of you, your husbands, are not giving you that feedback. Or if they are, you can sense deep down that they're actually lying. So, guys, you need to be better. You need to be better people. So, for you to be better, you need time to be by yourself and rewrite your code. Dig deep into your core values. Exercise. A lot of you don't exercise, especially the younger guys. But guys abali mu 30s, abamu mbalabe nga befuddeko, they're doing something. But the 20-year-olds, bro, 20-year-olds chichi, mwagala kuba bukubi party, If I were a 20-year-old, to be honest right now, I'll be focused on just two things: getting my body in shape and having some money. Simple. That's it. Sikali byandibadde byekola bweko zimulayini. Okitegeera. And that has been my case. Even when I was in my 20s, I knew that I needed to be in shape. I started this lifestyle when I was at uni, I think. I was already a guy who is trying to, I'm not the biggest guy out there, but my body is in shape, and I'm very, very proud of it. So I've always been like this. I've always been in shape. I've always dressed nice. I've always smelled nice. I've always been on point. So I don't know. You need to be on point. But let's get back to the video, guys. You need to spend time by yourself. Come out in nature and, meditate. Abamu meditation muloza nti kintu mukiduka no kiduka because you think it's something that's hard. It doesn't have to be hard. If you can just come out here and just keep quiet, that alone is meditation. Keep quiet. Like obongo berenga bobu creating embozi until a point when the mind will stop. And then you'll get some moments to actually be present, fully present. You guys don't understand how good that feels. It feels so good to fully be present and experience something. I'm here with butterflies. I'm also trying to relax myself. I've been having a lot on my mind. It's like, Nseva Dempa, Instead of then kuba take, every few days. My car is in the garage. When you have a car, you know what I'm talking about. So my car is in the garage. Mobility is hard. Mbadde simanyidde boda. Taxi zo. Ndabika amaze emyaka nga 10 nga sirinya taxi. So everything is disrupted in my life. But luckily enough, I'm dealing with that, and I'm trying to also step away from it and not let it get on top of things. Nothing should be on top of your mind besides God, and God through yourself. So every external, these all temporary things that shouldn't be bothering you too much. Only God should be on your mind. When I say God, I mean God through you. Have knowledge of self. Yeah, dig deep into yourself. What ticks you off? What doesn't? What makes you angry? What triggers you? Because those things are important. Recently, something triggered me, and I thought that I had gone past, I thought I had done enough work and gone past that level. But it actually bothered me to a point that I started to feel some type of way about it. And when I should, and yet I shouldn't. So it's been crazy. Sagala kubera position here. I want to always be on top of my mind and in control of my emotions. It's a big part of my life right now. So I'm stuck right now. The Renzori trip, I don't know if it will happen, but I know it will happen. No, I can't actually talk like that. I know it will happen. I've been planning to do it around 3rd of May. Around 3rd of May, travel to Renzori and go out there and tour, the people on that road, people in Fort Portal, people in Mobende, go do some nature trails around that, the biggest tree in over the world found in Mobende. Do that kind of exploration. But so the plan is still on. I've been DMing hotels and DMing a lot of places that I need to go visit, that I need to show you guys. So you should expect that. And I've been DMing people to partner with because, like I said, these trips are not cheap. They cost money, and I need to find a couple of ways to actually earn more money through these videos. I need to bring on partners who help in some sort of way on that. So if you're watching me right now, actually, and you think that you can partner with me on a trip like this, please come through. You could be a travel company. You could be a fuel company. I actually DM'd some fuel companies, but none has responded. I emailed City Oil, Shell, Total, all those guys, But if you know someone, in Uganda, it's a wild, wild west out here. It's a who do you know world. So if you know someone who can get me to the marketing of any of those fuel companies, please, I'd appreciate the help. But if you're out there and you're a travel company, if you're out there and you sell a product, maybe it could be something to eat, it could be camping gear, it could be anything. I already have a sponsor for camping gear, and I don't want to expose so much right now, but you'll be seeing that in the video. So come May, I think I'll be ready. But yeah, like I said, if you want to come and partner with me on this one, it will be good. We're growing to over 2,000 subscribers now on YouTube. And I'm happy with the progress. I could do a little bit more better than that. But yeah, so if you're out there and you think you can help me in some sort of way, I appreciate the help. But this is it. Find time. Step away from everything. I'm stepping away from everything right now, even YouTube. So it is what it is. But anyway, that's it, guys. See you in the next one.